Happy new month, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, you're welcome. So today I'm going to show you the popular soap, Veetgold soap. This is the soap that I'm talking about. This soap is all over the internet. A lot of people have been asking me how is this soap, but today I'm going to review to you how this soap works, the benefit of using this soap, who can use this Veetgold Turmeric Super Whitening Soap. Yes, so this soap that I'm holding here brightens the skin, claims to clear dark spots, repairs the skin in just 7 days. This soap is rich in vitamins and vegetable oil, which is very good for the skin, and it contains moisturizing properties, exfoliating properties, sunscreen and other effects. Yes. Contains turmeric oil, which is rich in unsaturated fatty acid and vitamins, which is active ingredient, deeply nourish the skin and strengthen the skin. Also helps for anti-aging. So guys, let me open this soap for you to see how it looks. So this is how the soap looks. Bright orange in color with that strong turmeric glow that instantly catches your eyes. It is made with natural turmeric extract and natural oil, which is known to lighten dark areas, fade blemishes and even skin tone. Now, what makes this soap stands out is the combination of turmeric and natural oil, which helps to brighten and fight dark spots, while its essential oil keeps your skin soft and moisturized instead of dry. So this soap helps to clear knuckles, dark armpit, brighten dull skin, help fade away spots and acne marks, smoothens the skin. Yes, it even help with anti-aging by repairing the skin barrier. Yes, so this turmeric super whitening soap is a 7-in-1 soap for 7 days extra whitening. So how do you use this soap? Wet your skin, lather the soap and gentle massage it all over your body. Let the lather sit for about 30 seconds to a minute before you rinse off. This helps the turmeric oils and ingredients to absorb better, to work better. Yes, so if you're having dark spots on your face, on your body, blemishes, you can use this soap for some seconds, lather it on your skin, then wash off immediately. Then you can use this soap morning and night, very important. Use your moisturizing and sunscreen after using this particular soap during the day, which will help to protect your skin and maintain your skin glow. Yes. So guys, that's all for today's video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.